This is a review of the Bright Eye 360 degrees the pan tilt. So it's pretty much, it moves 360 degrees. It's a color night vision. So that means it, records everything at night. So you can use this for your home, your business, and whatsoever, pretty much for everything. And not just that, but it also pretty much it's an intelligent AL motion. So it does detections if they, it sees something like that. It's going to give you alerts and it detects pretty much everything. And I have it inside the package, but I've been using this for quite a while now, for about like 2 months now. And it's been going very, good. And I just want to show you guys how it looks like. This is the package itself. It looks really, amazing. And then I'm going to pull this out and show you guys more in detail on how this cool light bulb looks like. So here's the product itself. It looks really amazing, and you can see here it looks like a light bulb, but it's actually a camera. And nobody could probably tell like pretty much 50%, but it's actually a 360 degrees camera that provides night vision. And so far the quality looks really amazing. I love how it feels and it looks, and it's like a light bulb essentially, but nonetheless it is a camera 360 degrees, and the quality is really amazing. And I'm not sure if I could pretty much provide the how it looks like at night, but just by saying it, like I mentioned before, I've been using this for like 2 months now, and it's been going great so far. I just want to show you guys like how exactly it looks like, and it looks really amazing. It's high quality. It has the camera lens right here. I still have the plastic piece right there, but overall, if you're looking for a camera lens or pretty much a security camera system that looks like a light bulb, but it's a camera, then this one's definitely one of the best ones, because it looks really cool, it looks really neat, and it looks fantastic. And I absolutely love it because I've been using this for quite some time now, and it just provides the security and a light bulb that gives a camera lens and it records everything is something that is really cool, and it could trick people. I would definitely recommend this product if you're looking for something like that. Then this is something I would definitely recommend to everyone.